Meteorologist Joe Bastardi, your Blank Industries weekly winter update, and there is going to be some winter this week, especially in the plains, and another chance in the Northeast that on the weekend it tries to snow, but we're 0 for the season in that particular area of the country. Not out in the plains, though. Let's take a look at snowfall over the next 24 hours, ending tomorrow morning. A little bit of light snow breaks out in Nebraska over here. You see it confined into the Rockies. Following 24 hours, ending Wednesday morning, looks like this. Thursday morning, up in the Great Lakes, a little bit of light snow. And Friday morning, like this. Saturday morning, like this. Now, this begins to look interesting in that it comes out and has a streak of accumulating snow all the way to the Mason-Dixon line Saturday and Saturday night over here. And when we look at the forecast by Monday morning, what's left of it is sitting in here. What's interesting about that feature is we're going to get a big cold Arctic high pressure system coming across southern Canada, and low pressure is going to try to attack it from the southwest, and there's all easterly flow and low-level cold air that's going to be sitting over the northeast. So if this band is enhanced a bit more, it's going to lead to snow. So, but again, I remind you, we are 0 for the season. I try to get this to happen in the northeast part of the United States. I mean, look at this last weekend. You had that monster storm bomb out off the Virginia coast, move northeast, and it's like a Peggy Lee storm. For those of you who have ever heard Peggy Lee, you know, is that all there is? There wasn't much. It was out over the water. Here's your snowfall over the next week. Now, I want to warn you, winter is far, far from over in this part of the country. Over the next 2 weeks, it looks like this, and I suspect the following week there's going to be a lot of snow in here too. Looking at this pattern, wickedly cold air for this time of the year coming into the west. Ridge tries to hold in the southeast. Monster battleground in between. It'll still be cold enough to try to snow in much of the northern plains and into the Great Lakes. That's it for now. Enjoy the weather. Only weather you got.